Hello, you guys. Hi, this is Weltha. Okay, you guys, so I just got home from work and I'm tired, but I'm hungry and I'm tired of eating my leftovers. So I'm gonna make these. Okay, I got some scallops that I'm gonna make with some garlic and herbs and butter. That's it. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. Okay, just a really quick video because I'm really tired and it's only gonna take a few minutes to make this. Okay. So I'm gonna make some scallops with some butter and some garlic and some garlic herb spice. Okay, that's all you need if you want to make this with me. Okay. Okay guys, so what we're gonna do first is I'm gonna sprinkle a little salt. Okay, then I'm gonna get some pepper. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the garlic herb. Okay, and then same thing on the other side. Oops, that one broke, you guys. It's okay. At least it's only one. Okay, a little salt. And the garlic herb, okay? All right, guys, so now we're gonna go to the stove. Let's go to the stove, okay? And we're gonna cook this on the stove. We're halfway done. And bring your butter, and I forgot to tell you guys to bring some thyme, okay? Whatever, if you have the fresh thyme is good, but I've got the some dried thyme, okay? Okay, just make sure you bring your butter and your thyme. Okay guys, so I'm at the skillet and I added some oil to the skillet, okay? Just need a little bit of oil. And now we're gonna add the scallops. Make sure your oil is hot. Okay, y'all. I'm too tired to even drain this stuff off. I mean, I didn't want to burn myself. So I'm just gonna use a new skillet, okay? All right, so now I'm gonna add some butter to this skillet. About 3 tablespoons of butter. Sorry guys, I'm just so drained right now. I'm so tired. I don't even have any words. You know I love to talk. But honey, I'm tired. I'm so tired right now. Okay, so let me melt this butter. Let me turn the stove up a little. Okay. All right, so, all right, you guys, just 1 minute. All right, so now I'm gonna get my garlic also, you guys. So I'm gonna use my garlic Italian herbs. So I wanna put a spoon of that in there. Ooh, honey. So one more. Sorry, I'm not that talkative tonight, you guys. I'm just tired. Okay, so now we're gonna add the scallops back to this butter. Okay. Oh, let me get my thyme also. So you can eat this over some rice if you wanted to, you guys, but I'm gonna have some asparagus with it. I'm just adding some thyme. Okay. All right, let me turn the stove on. I'm just gonna let this simmer for a minute. I'll get a plate. This is a fast meal, you guys. I gotta go to sleep. Okay, so we're done over here. So now I'm gonna go make a plate, okay? And there you have it. Delicious scallops. Don't they look delicious? Okay guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. And please don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you think. All right, thank you guys. I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.